Hi to all. Modulo 4 curve surveying next part. Okay, next part we will discuss about designation of curves and also elements of curves. Okay, see here, designation of curves. Actually, what designation of curve is, the sharpness of the curve is designated either by its radius or its degree of curvature. So we have to solve it. What is the degree of curvature formula and also what is the radius formula for the designation of the curve. Okay, designation of the curve has severe different definition. First one is arc definition, next one is chord definition. See here, this is arc definition. This figure shows arc definition. See here, PQ standard length and PO is radius and also OQ is also radius, and POQ makes an angle DA. Okay, see here, this is angle and this is chord. Okay, this is curve. So we will assume standard length of the chord is 30 meter to 20 meter. Okay, so by using all these data, we will solve the arc definitions. Arc definition is nothing but the degree of curvature is defined as angle in degree subtended by an arc, that is standard length. Okay, that is 30 meter to 20 meter. It is shown in the figure. These definitions are generally used in highway practice. See here, in these cases, R is the radius, dA is degree of curvature and S is the standard length. Okay, let's having a one formula is there. So see here, let's by using of this convention, by using of dA is to 360 equal to S is standard length of arc is to 2 pi r. This is a relation, one relation or else one formula is having. Okay, dA we don't know and 360 it is degree and curvature. Okay, S equal to we have to assume it is 30 to 20. So let here I will take it is 20 meter is to 2 pi r. Okay, so S is arc length, that is 30 meter. So we will take it is 30 meter. So see here, so let's already we saw dA is to 360 equal to S is to 2 pi r, isn't it? Okay, so how we will again rearrange these terms? dA by S, I will take here 30 meter, or else if you want you can take 20 meter also, equal to 360 by 2 pi r. I arrange the only terms. Okay, next I will bring out these all bring out these all values in right side, and only I kept dA at left side. Okay, so by solving this, we will get the dA equal to 10,800 divided by 2 pi r, that is in degrees. Okay, after completion of this one, we will get the 1718.9 divided by r degrees, which is the arc length taken as then 20 meter. Okay, so this formula is dA is, this formula is when s equal to arc length is 30 meter, that value is 1718.9 divided by r. So again we will solve the when s equal to 20 meter. When s equal to 20 meter, so we will get the dA equal to 1145.92 divided by r. It is in degrees. Okay, next one is chord definitions. Okay, chord definition. So chord definition is nothing but the degree of curve may be defined as central angle of curve that is subtended by chord AB of length is 30 meter. This definition is followed almost in railway practices. Okay, see here. This one is chord definition. In this cases, what I will take it here. See, by using of this radius, we will get the curve. Okay, then by using of, so it is, I will take it is up to 20 to 30 meter length. So exact middle of the curve is, or chord length is here 15 meter, here 15 meter will comes, and also it will makes an angle, no? So that will total from here to here, it is DC. So it is subtended at middle, so it is DC by 2 here and also DC by 2 here. Okay, that is chord definitions. Okay, by using of chord, we will solve the chord definitions. So please, while solving the chord definition, please refer this diagram. See here, chord definitions. Chord definition in this cases from figure to now only I shown to you people figure, that is chord definition figure. In that cases what is having? Sin DC by 2 equal to PS by PO. So you people please refer the diagram, that is chord definition. See here how we got the chord. This is chord, no? So in these cases, O, P, Q as having here DC by 2. Okay, so sin DC by 2 equal to PS by PO. Sin equal to base upon hypotenuse. So PS by PO. Okay, sin DC equal to PS by PO. So PS is, see here, in this cases PS is totally chord is 30 meter. If it is makes an subtended angle at the middle, 15 meter here and 15 meter here. So this is PS, no? PS is having 15 meter and divided by PO, it is named as R. So 15 by r. Okay, after that I will bring r left side, and also 15 divided by sin dc by 2. Sin dc by 2, it will comes downwards. Okay, where dc by 2 is a small, okay, small, so hence for a small degree of curve, flat curve will appear. So that purpose I removed it. And also see here, so already we know, if I remove sin dc by 2, if I remove sin, it will remains only dc by 2. Okay, so in this cases what will happens, 15 it is ps and dc by 2 and pi by 180. Okay, if it is pi by 180, then it is in degrees. Okay, so see here, after solving these all, so 2 comes upward, 180 comes upward. See here, 2 comes upward, 180 comes upwards, then 15 into 2 into 180 divided by dc by 2, dc by pi. Okay, after solving 15 into 2, that is 30, and 180 by pi divided by dc, it will remains like this. So r equal to 30 by dc by 180. So already we know 30 is nothing but the length. Okay, standard length is nothing but the s. So chord definition is s by dc into 180 by pi. That is nothing but the chord definitions. Okay, this is the designation of the curve. Next comes elements of simple curves. Okay, elements of simple curves. So what are elements of simple curves? So first one is, in these cases, first one is, so see here, refer this figure. Okay, refer this one figure. So this is a simple circular curves figure. In these cases everything is included. Okay, so I will show you what are elements of the curves. Okay, so elements of curve, in these cases elements of curves. So we will discuss length of the curve. Okay, see here, length of curve, how it will shown. This is radius, this is second radius, and this is tangents, this is also tangent. It will makes one curve, okay, that is T1 tangent, and in these cases this point is C, and this is chord, this is O point, sorry, this is D point, and this one is O, and this is T2 tangent, and it is point of interaction, okay. This one is delta deflection, and it is subtended angle at the middle, no, so it is totally it is delta, so here half it is delta by 2, delta by 2, okay. So you will please remember this figure, then only length of curve and tangent length and length of chord will get you know, people. Okay, see here, length of curve already I shown to you figure, that is simple curves diagram, okay. In this cases length of curve, here it is T1 C T2, see here, see here, this is T1 C T2, okay, length of curve, it is length of curve, okay. So T1 C T2, it is nothing but the R into delta, okay. So let's it, we want L equal to R delta, so it is in radians, so we want it is in degrees, so how it will comes, pi by 180, it is in degree, then R into delta, it will comes automatically degrees. If you substitute pi by 180, then it will comes radian from 2 degrees. Okay, this is arc definition. From arc definition, what is arc definition? Already we derived previous videos. See here, dA by 30 or else yes, standard length equal to delta by L. Okay, I want length of the curve, no, so L equal to S delta dA, it is formula, okay. This is length of the curve, okay. Next concept is tangent length, okay, tangent length. So see here, this is curve, this is T1 tangent, this is T2 tangent, and this is chord, okay. See here, this point is V, T1 and V, T2 and V equal to, this will makes an angle, no, so it is delta by 2, so V T1 T2, here it is delta by 2, so I want tan, so from this tan delta by 2 equal to, this is R, okay. This will T1V and T2V will makes T, okay. So tan delta by 2 is T by R, okay, T by R. So T equal to, so this expression how it will come, C equal to T equal to R tan delta by 2, that is nothing but the tangent length. Next comes length of the long curve, okay. Length of the long curve is T1, L equal to T1 T2, okay. So see here, T1, T2. Okay. So in these cases I want sign relation. Okay. So sin delta by 2, let's L equal to. So length of the long chord is nothing but the L, T1, T2. So T1, T2 is length of the long chord. So T1, T2 equal to, already in equations having there, please refer the diagram. Sin delta by 2, T1 D by T1 O. So wait. So see here, this is figure T1, T2 and V. Okay, this one is C, this one is D, this one is O, isn't it? Okay, sin delta by 2. I want sign relation by using of this curve. So T1D by T1O. Okay, so T1D, T1, so T1D, T1D, it is total, it is from here to here, it is L. So it makes half, that is nothing but the L by 2. Okay, T1O, it is radius, then it will comes R. Okay, by using of this, so I will bring it R, I will take all terms right side. So L by 2 equal to R into sin delta by 2. So again arrange the terms. L equal to 2R sin delta by 2. Okay. So length of the long chord formula is 2R sin delta by 2. Next, apex distance or external distance. So external distance and apex distance. So see here, please refer the diagram. E equal to CV equal to VO minus so this is C, this is O, this is V, this is D, and this one is E. How na? Isn't it? So CV equal to this, CV equal to, okay, VO minus CO, isn't it? So that is nothing but the R sec delta by 2 minus R. Okay. Okay, so I will bring out the common term R. So it is remains sec delta by 2 minus of 1. Then it will comes R xx delta by 2. Okay, cos x. So sec delta by 2 minus 1, it will comes x sec delta by 2. Okay, next mid ordinate. Okay, mid ordinate is nothing but the this is mid ordinate, no? So mid ordinate is nothing but this is V, this is C, this is O, so this is CD. So this one is mid ordinate. Okay, mid ordinate CD is nothing but the CO minus of DO. Okay, so see here, C D O. So that is nothing but the this CO minus of DO. It will make mid ordinate, that is CD. Okay. So r minus of r cos delta by 2 it will comes, then mid-ordinate is nothing but the r verse sine delta by 2. 1 minus cos delta by 2 it will comes verse sine. Okay, next one is chainage of tangent points. So chainage of tangent points is nothing but the chainage of t1, chainage of t2, chainage of v if it is comes chainage of v, then minus t, chainage of t2 it will chainage of t1 plus t2. That is nothing but the chainage of tangent points. So I will end this session here only. Thank you.